You can expect a lot from the 2011 Chevrolet Tahoe. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and power front seats. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.